Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Santander Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL santanderbank.com. Once you get in the website, click on the login button at the top right. After that, you'll need to enter your login details here. Enter your username and password, then click login. After you enter your username and password, click on the login button to log into your account. But if you do not have your account, click on first time user enroll now to create one. And also if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on forgot user ID or forgot password. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Santander Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications, and see you in the next video.